This is elevator B at the Johnstown Innovation Center / Franklin Center in downtown Johnstown, Pennsylvania. The elevator over there is an Eastern with Serge. This one's an Otis, vintage Otis, one from the 70s. Interesting mosaic tile in the back. Basement, locked. 4, which is blank in here. Oh, okay, basement does work, but it's burned out. Basement. Doors. The E screw is on both 3 and 4. Bouncy. Bouncy panel 2. Here at the 4th floor, blank floor. Floor may have been like added later or something. Back down to 1. Got the Halo Lexan fixtures. Interesting, I think it don't seem like they're from too far apart, the Eastern with Serge and this one certificate, or yet they're different. It's made it. 988 rotary phone, the same one. I'm guessing Eastern maintains it. Yep, they do. Basic fake grand cab, but with a weird fake mosaic tile thing in the back. It was obviously done over the fake ring here, back 1. Yeah, the 1 thing and the bulb's burned out. I think Eads is the only thing that uses this elevator. Because now it's going to be a